Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with another video. Today also I'm going to make the video against the gas cooker. It is actually having a problem with the flame. That's mean it's coming yellow flames all for burners. Also oven and wheeler down portion too also same. Because of that now I'm going to explain to you how to. Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today also I'm going to make video regarding the gas cooker. That's been this gas cooker having actually problem with the flames. That's been it's coming yellow, all the all the pots are getting black. Because of that only I'm going to make this video. They're all for burners top, also down oven and wheeler both are same. That's mean all six burners are we have to repair because this one I will explain to you before repair that one, and we will go to the next video. Now I will show you the problem with this cooker. See, you can see here. It is I already light here this small burner. Also other one also. You can see actually it is all the burners are it's like that customer using. Because of that only I'm going to make this video. I came to repair this cooker. Now you can see the flames. It is already its color yellow. That means it is not the full combustion. That means actually incomplete combustion it's happening. That means it's not burning well. Because of that now I have to repair. Also I will explain to you what kind of benefits, what is the problem, why is we are telling definitely we have to repair this one, because this type of gas flame earlier also I made the video. This type of flames if you are going to use continuously, it is very bad for our health. Also it is very bad for the environmental. Because of that so many issues are, especially actually who's using continuously this type of gas cooker with this type of flames. It is definitely you will get sick, because it's coming out, it is carbon monoxide, also hydrocarbon. Because of that actually I'm telling don't use this type of cooker with this flame. Now we will go to the next step. The gas pressure, gas cylinder, what kind of gas we are using. Especially in UAE, I found some customers using the natural gas. Some areas, especially Sharjah, under Sharjah government, Kalba, Korfukan, Sharjah, any other remote areas, by the government supplying natural gas. While you are using natural gas, you cannot use the LPO gas nozzles for the cooker, because the natural gas pressure is very low. It is coming its pressure actually PSI 20, below 20 it will come. Because of that what in that areas technicians coming, and what they are doing, they are taking here, and by the drill they are making hole, the big hole. The all burners has to be the same size. For example, they are making up to the millimeter 180 or 175 like that. It should be the same size as nozzle. Otherwise, that one is not coming. We cannot use. We are not able to use the gas cooker. Now, this case also does as same. This cooker earlier the customer used in Sharjah, out of the remote area. That's mean earlier they used Korfukan area. Now they came to the Fujairah. But this cooker, by the Fujairah government not supplying natural gas for the customer. Now they are using here. There you can see the gas cooker, that is LPO gas. Now this cooker, I know it's having all the nozzles are same. You can see here. It is very big hole. That means all the nozzles are same. These nozzles they fix. This nozzles only for the natural gas. While you are purchasing new gas cooker, by all the companies they are supplying with the cooker accessories. They are supplying two types of nozzles, that means for the natural gas nozzles and LPO gas nozzles separately they are supplying while you are going to install, and that means your house you are staying by the government or any other company supplying by the natural gas. You have to convert to nozzles LPO gas to natural gas. Now this case also same, they convert to this nozzles for the natural gas. Now they shifted from here to another place, that means Kujira area. Now we have to convert to this all the nozzles for the LPO gas. That means LPO gas pressure is very high. That this nozzle size is very big. Because of that, it's flame, the gas burning, but gas coming too much. Because of that, uncompleted complete combustion happening. Because of that, coming yellow color flames. Now I will remove this here. Also open this one also. You can see here. It is all the nozzle sizes are same. Now, if we are going to convert this nozzles to LPO gas, that means it should separate nozzle size. That means especially this is small one we can replace 45. Also this one bigger one. This one it should be 80 or 85. We can replace 75 millimeter. Also this both are, it should be same. It should come actually 50, 55, no issue. But anyway, we will remove first. After that, we will check. I will show you what kind of nozzles are already fixed here. After replacing, after converting, I will show you the frames. Now you saw the frames how it's come. It is very bad actually. It is. I will after repairing. I will explain to you what kind of benefits we are getting. Also, what type of harmful for our health we have to care of about this type of gas cooker. Now I will remove all the nozzles are here. This is what I use here. This is what I use. Here. I remove already all four nozzles. You can see, dear friends, this is all the nozzles are same. You can see that actually we can find out here nozzle sizes already here. It's mentioning all the nozzles. While you checking properly, you can see this size is it is already it's written here N. That's mean for the natural gas. This size is 85. Yes, my dear, it is already written here N. You can see here in natural gas. It is 85, also 85. Now what I'm going to do, I have to replace. You can see, dear friends, I having actually so many nozzles, different type of nozzle. Now I'm going to replace this new nozzles for this cooker. It is this one 45. I will use here. Also this one. You can see here it is this is 52. Also I will fix. Also it should be the here also 52. And this one no issue. We can this is bigger one, because of that we can replace the big one. Yeah, 85 I will change. I will replace here 85. Now I will fix this one first. Now it's okay. Now I already fixed. We will check first this one. Now it should be okay. Now we will check first. Yes, dear friends. Now you can see here. It should be. It's like that only. If it is not yellow frames, you can see here. It is yellow coming. sorry, it's coming blue, that means 100% burning. Now it means complete, that means full combustion, it's happening, that means full burning, oxygen supplying well, because of that it's blue flames are coming. Now I will replace other one also, I will show you after replacing. That one also I replaced already. We will check that one also. I fixed only the 45. Yes, dear friends, you can see now. It should be actually like that. You can see the flames now. It is coming. You can see here. It is coming blue. That means 100% it's burning the gas. That means it's not remaining any carbon dioxide is not coming out. Also hydrocarbon. Now you can see, dear friends, it should be like that. That means I already replaced the two nozzles. It is I already converted to LPO. Now you can see here it is two burners. It is 100% burn. That means full combustion. That means no any remaining monoxide gas, carbon monoxide or hydrocarbon is not coming out. It is safety for your health. Especially I'm telling again, don't use yellow flames at your home in the kitchen. You will get sick immediately because it is very bad. Carbon monoxide, if while we are breathing, so many sickness it will come to us because of that. Again I'm telling. Now I will replace other two also. It is 52 I'm going to replace. Also now we will check. You can see, dear friends, that one also it is 100% okay. Now you can see, I will close that one. After replacing other one also we will check. That one also I already replaced. Now we will check. Now you can see, dear friends, I will now you can see, dear friends, it is all four burners are working properly. That means I will off the light here. Now you can see, dear friends, all the nozzles are I converted to LPO gas. That means liquid petroleum. Earlier it is the customer used natural gas. Because of that nozzles is bigger size. Now I converted to LPO gas. It's working 100% now. It's burning properly gas. That means full combustion. That means no any remaining things coming to that means not dissolving with the environmental. That means especially hydrocarbon or carbon monoxide is not coming. This type of flames only healthy. It's good for our health. If it is, again I'm telling, it's don't use yellow flames with the your don't cook because it is very bad your health. Now I have to replace here. Now I have to replace two nozzles are here. That means oven and griller also I will replace. After that our job will be complete. Now you can see, dear friends, I already replaced the griller nozzle also. You can see the here. You can see the flames. That means it is totally blue. It's coming. Now you can see, dear friends, I replaced that nozzle also for the LPO gas. Now you can see here. This one is flames. It's blue color. You can see the flames. It is totally, actually it is burning. Nothing to worry. It should be like that actually. I will close again. I will show you. Now all the burners are okay. Again I will show you here. Now you can see, dear friends, it is my job already completed. That's mean actually it is working 100%. That's mean nozzles I already converted to LPO gas. If it is at your home, you are using the yellow flames, it's don't use again. I'm telling, it is very bad for your health. Also environmental. We should always environmental friendly user. Because of that, no need to nothing to worry. Now it is hydrocarbon or carbon monoxide not coming out from the gas cooker. Also, it is healthy care of our life, our healthy. This type of gas cooker, while you're using, you will get sick unnecessary, and that's what I'm telling. Now you can see this. It should be like that. My job already completed. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly I'm requesting subscribe. Also, if any you having any comments me, send me message. Also, share my channel. Thanks for watching again.